floor exercise. Oh, parents, I do have to tell you, because some of you are out there with your pens and pencils writing their scores down that were flashed. If there's a tie on an event, we break it by the highest all-around score. So if two boys tied on an event, we're going to break that tie by whichever boy had the highest all-around score. That's why they do it in gymnastics. If you have a tie in the all-around, then we have a tiebreaker by the highest event score for that person. Okay? So that's how we're going to do it. So we don't have any ties in this. These are event champions, no ties. In fifth place, guys, is right over here on this side. So you guys all remember that? This is fifth. What do you think this is? Fourth? What's this? All right, you guys got it. Here we go. In fifth place, from Eastern Montana, Tug Taylor. Fifth place, Tug Taylor, come on up here. Stand right up on fifth place, Tug. In fourth place, Mason Williams from Mount Helena Gymnastics. In third place, Kate Bobick from Lone Mountain. In second place, from Lone Mountain, Edward Guthrie.
All right, Edward!
And your level 4 floor champion with a 9.6, Moises Soberpena George from Mount Helena. No wonder he won the handstand contest. All right, boys, do a big gymnastic salute. Parents, this is your Kodak moment. Go ahead and put your arms up, guys. Right up. There we go. Very nice. Okay, on pommel horse. Come on down, fellas. On pommel horse. These are level 4s on pommels. In fifth place, from Lone Mountain, Edward Guthrie.
All right, Edward!
In fourth place, from Lone Mountain, Levi Finch.
Woo!
In third place, from Lone Mountain, Kate Bobick.
Woohoo!
In second place, from Mount Helena, Wyatt Graziano. And your pommel horse champion from Mount Helena, Moises Soberpena George. Very nice, boys. Salute. Nicely done, boys. Come on down. Our rings champions for the evening, level 4 rings champions. In fifth place, from Great Falls Gymnastics Academy, Brody Platt. In fourth place, from Lone Mountain, Kate Bobick. In third place, Felix Guggenheim from Lone Mountain. In second place, from Mount Helena, Moises Soberpena George. And your rings champion with a 10.1, Zachary Dean from Great Falls Gymnastics Academy. Rings champions, salute. Nicely done, boys. Okay, on vault. From Great Falls Gymnastics Academy in fifth place, Alexander Niebuhr. In fourth place, from Eastern Montana, Tug Taylor. In third place, Wyatt Graziano from Mount Helena. In second place, Mason Williams from Mount Helena. And your level 4 vault champion, Moises Soberpena George from Mount Helena. Vault champions, salute. Very nice, boys. On P-bars, in fifth place from Mount Helena, Wyatt Graziano. In fourth place from Mount Helena, Mason Williams. In third place, Felix Guggenheim from Lone Mountain.
All right, Felix!
In second place from Lone Mountain, Kate Bobick.
Woohoo!
And your level 4 parallel bar champion, Moises Soberpena from Mount Helena. Gymnast, salute. Very nice, boys. On high bar, in fifth place from Mount Helena, Mason Williams. This is our high bar event. In fourth place, Ty Phoenix from Mismo. In third place from Lone Mountain, Felix Guggenheim. From Lone Mountain in second place, Edward Guthrie. And your level 4 high bar champion from Mount Helena, Oasis over Penny George.
Wow.
High bar champions, salute.
I can't take any more
Very
regular
nice,
pictures
boys.
on this. It's full.
Okay, level 5s on floor. In 5th place from Madison Gymnastics, Daniel Brannigan. In 4th place from Billings Gymnastics School,